Teach Me TV, back with another informative video for you and yours. We are going to get straight to it. Are you ready to learn how to make money posting videos? I know you're saying to yourself, I already know how to do that. The secret is, what are you going to talk about? Are you ready to learn about some awesome YouTube video themes that will have your channel trending? Then stick around, because Teach Me TV is about to drop some heat. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because you won't want to miss a single video. If you're ready, then let's go. So we aren't going to waste any time. We want to give some tips on what themes or topics that you can talk about when creating your videos. Today we are giving you 10 top trending themes on most platforms. Make sure you watch this video until the end, and we will be giving away a free gift. How to tutorials. If you're tired of being the only one of your friend group that doesn't know how to do something, then you need to create some how to tutorials. Cooking, makeup, or home repairs, there's something for everyone. You may become the next viral sensation. Isn't that what this is all about? Making money doing what you love. Product reviews. Are you a product junkie and love trying new things? Then product reviews are perfect for you. Unbox your latest haul, give your audience your honest opinion, and maybe even sway them to buy it. Be the influencer you want to be. No one can take that from you. Vlogs. If you want to be a Kardashian without the drama, then vlogs are the way to go. Share your daily life with your viewers, make them feel like they're right there with you, and who knows, maybe you'll even inspire them. Just don't forget to film your coffee runs and your day-to-day routine. Top 10 or Top 5 lists. Who doesn't love a good list? Whether it's the best restaurants in town or the best beauty products, compile your top 10 or top 5 lists, and have your viewers ready to take notes. Who knows, maybe they'll become regular at that restaurant or try a new skincare routine. The sky is the limit if you can put a good list together. Question and answer sessions. Have you ever wondered what your viewers are dying to know about you? Well, Q&A sessions are a great way to connect with your audience and answer their burning questions. So, get ready to be personal and candid, and show them the real you. You could even flip this and do somewhat of a podcast session where you're interviewing someone interesting. Try it out. Travel videos. Are you a jet setter who's been bitten by the travel bug? Then travel videos are the perfect videos for you. Share your experiences in places that you've been and bring your viewers along for the ride. I'm sure you have watched your fair share of travel vlogs. We all know it's time for you to share your travels with your audience. Challenge videos. Do you love to live on the wild side? Then it's time to take on a challenge. Whether it's the spicy noodle challenge or the 24-hour challenge, you'll have your viewers on the edge of their seat. Just don't forget to document the entire thing, including the aftermath. This isn't for everybody, but if your stomach is built with an iron casing, then go for it. Collaborations. Two heads are better than one, and the same goes for YouTubers. Collaborate with other content creators in your niche, create exciting content, and grow your audience. Who knows, maybe you'll become the next dynamic duo or squad. I suggest you do this once you have become familiar with uploading videos on a consistent basis. It will only benefit you in the end. You have to learn your craft before you can master it. Educational content. If you have a passion for a particular topic, then it's time to create some educational content. Share your history, science, or literature knowledge, and make your viewers feel smarter after watching your video. This is what we do here at Teach Me TV. We want to make sure you leave from every video smarter than you were when you started watching. Just don't forget to have some fun while you're doing it. Reaction videos. Are you always on top of the latest trends or viral videos? Then it's time to create reaction videos. Share your thoughts, make your viewers laugh, and who knows, maybe you'll go viral too. This has to be the easiest way to go viral. All you need is that right video and some catchy saying from your funny commentating, and you can take off like a rocket if you do this well enough. Now, as you can see, more and more people are beginning to start their channels. It's not going to be easy, but it will be worth it if you're serious. And there you have it, folks. Those were the top 10 YouTube video themes that you need to create on your channel. But, before you go, make sure to subscribe to the Teach Me TV channel, hit that notification bell, and never miss a video again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.